Hey guys, it is actually raining outside right now. Okay. I'm getting wet. The phone's getting wet. Oh god. This phone won't break. I dropped it in the toilet. Actually, my mom did. Okay. This is block. Stop it! I'm standing this way now. Now all the rain will go on you. But this is vlog number 3, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is vlog number 3. Got it mixed up last time with all the vlogs. I thought I posted vlog number 1, so then I put. Look at this! Ah. Oh, it's cold out here. This dancing in the rain on my porch. Oh, I don't drop it. No. Well, there's the door. This will dry me off. The air conditioner. Basically, this is me dancing on a porch in the rain. Vlog number 3. Dancing in the rain. Ow. I wanted to make. I don't really know, but I have MSP. If you don't know what that means. Okay. It's when we start playing it. You can search it up. All you have to do is download the Weesh Plus player if you don't have it. I'll do a video on that. Sorry. I'll do a video on that. Right after this one goes up. So stay tuned for that one. Hey, we're gonna wash you guys off. Okay, I'm back. Now it's. Okay, well you won't see that. Never do a video out here on the rain. Why is there a Mountain Dew can in the road? Now can you see it? It's raining now. Can you hear that? If you heard it up all loud, you can hear that thundering. Yeah. Stay away from it. Don't worry, I'll dry. My phone will dry though. Okay, but I want to do the MSP. I will go inside. Look, I'm not done dancing. Okay, I'm gonna set up this phone and I'm gonna dance. So, yeah.